although it's like 80 degrees right now here in Austin, the gingerbread candle is burning in the background. I'm gonna begin by talking about a few items that I purchased from Trader Joe's that are not the advent calendar, but these are seasonal products that you might be interested in, and they are kind of in the candle beauty genre. And then I'm gonna quickly get to the advent calendar. The first one is this thing. It's a gummy bear flavored lip duo, and I think it's supposed to be sort of an ornament for the tree, and I found this super cute. First of all, I love gummy bears. Second, I have, well, if you follow me, you know this already probably, and if you're not following me, if you're new, welcome. Yeah, I have chronic chopped lips, which is why I'm always looking for these. I have other kinds that I purchased from Trader Joe's that I go through. I think this was from last year. They had a duo last year. They were both masks, and I like them. They're not as intense as I hoped they would be. I have a really, really bad chopped lips. Maybe they are not supposed to be for someone with as chopped a lips as mine. Let me quickly open this thing and show you the sizes in case they're not. Obviously, it's coming in one of these things, and I wish they would be using less plastic packaging, y'all. So this looks like just a lip balm butter, and this one looks like an overnight lip mask. And usually overnight lip masks are a little more dense than just day masks, and it smells so gummy bear like. I love gummy bears. Oops. Yeah, and this one, the tip looks like that. I have not used these. I'm probably going to use these soon. And beauties, I know what some of you are thinking. If you're not new here, you know I was on a no-buy. And no, I did not break my no-buy to buy these. I bought these after my no-buy. My no-buy just ended a few days ago, and I bought these after that. Another thing that they released, and they had one of these for the fall also. I bought the one last year, and I still have some of the candles because I just have way too many fall candles. Like, I pretty much have fall candles burning in my house year round. But this one is for the holiday. It's a holiday scent candle tin trio. Quickly showing you all that it's very similar to the fall one. Yeah, so this one is nutmeg. These are scents of Christmas. The next one is fresh currant. Yeah, very nice Christmassy scents. And the last one is cranberry pine. Yeah, this one I really like. It has a very pine scent. If you have a Trader Joe's near you, they usually have these as testers so you can smell them. So you don't have to buy them without knowing what they smell like and making sure you like the scent. Also, for the curious ones, I've done this look in another video tagged in the description below and on the screen. Let's now get to the main event, the 12-day advent calendar. Yay! If you watched the video I made of the advent calendar from last year, you know that I had a routine. Before I say if I'm gonna do the same routine, I'm gonna make sure, yes. So the candles look like this. The names are not on it. So you're gonna kind of get surprised by the scent. So what I did last year is what I'm gonna do again. I'm going to pick a candle, try to guess what kind of candle it is from the scent, and go from there. Let's do it. And one thing I learned last year was that the color is a hint. So I'm not gonna look at what's on it. Okay, this one smells like gummy bears. It could possibly be considered a fruit, but it's more candy-like. It's very sweet. Oh, Scandinavian Swimmers. So Scandinavian Swimmers is essentially Trader Joe's equivalent for Swedish fish. Very cool. Okay, this one is orange, so let's cover the front and let's see. Okay, this one could be a fruit. I feel like I'm saying that about everything. I think this is a fruit. It's not exactly a peach. Maybe a tangerine. Sweet nectarine. Okay, getting out our third one. This one looks like a lime green, so I'm just gonna guess right off the bat that maybe it's a lime or some form of a citrus. I'm just blindly guessing. It could be. It does have some sort of a sour smell. Yeah, it totally could be lime. Oh, not far! Jalapeno limeade. I'm not sure what that is, but judging by Scandinavian swimmers, I'm wondering if this is something that Trader Joe's has, like maybe some sort of a snack or something. If you know, let the rest of us know in the comments below. Okay, I also just noticed that these are jumbled, which is very interesting. Maybe that was the case last year. Let's do number 4, covering the front to make sure I'm not looking at it, but it's very hard to open. What's going on with these? Okay, this one is definitely a fruit. Also, it's kind of a sour fruit, and it's yellow. Maybe this is like this could be lemon or something, but it's a little sweeter than just pure lemon. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with something like that. Okay, I was completely off. This is yuzu hot sauce. Again, I'm guessing that is something from Trader Joe's. If you know, you know, I suppose. It's interesting because now I'm gonna go back to Trader Joe's and try to find these things on the shelf. Let's make sure I'm picking number 5 and not 11 by mistake. Again, the lid is very hard to get off, but let's see. So this one is peach colored. Oh. Okay. This is kind of interesting because it's kind of coconutty, but peach? I confess I don't know. It smells like coconut. Candy cane JoJo's. Again, I'm sure that's something that Trader Joe's has. I don't smell the candy cane. I smell more coconut. Okay, number 6 is another bluey one. Again, covering it and not looking. Oh my goodness. This one smells like something, because when I was a kid, they had these alphabet-shaped iron pills that smell like this. Like, it's one of those smells that they add to candy to deceive you and make you think it has fruits in it. At least that's what it smells like to me. I don't know. I mean, it's blue. Let's say blueberry. Not far. Blueberry waffles. Is this something Trader Joe's carries? And going around number 7. And this one is also very lime green, not looking at the sign. This has a very therapeutic smell, like eucalyptus smells like, but it's not eucalyptus. They had eucalyptus last year in their candles. I would say like green tea maybe. Again, the green is giving it away. Yeah, I would say green tea. Okay, not too far. Tea tree jingle. Number 8 is also very pinky peachy. These are so hard to open. Oh, this one also smells like gummy bears. It has a very sort of a fresh, fruity kind of gummy bear scent. Like some smell of summer. Yeah, I can't tell. Oh, watermelon cucumber cooler. And number 9, an interesting teal shade. I legitimately have no idea what this is. I don't know what this is. Cacao oil body butter. It's a nice smell for a candle. And now doing number 10, not looking at the label. Oh, this smells like coffee. This is definitely coffee. Coffee. Cold brew. Although it smells a little sweet. I would say sweeter than cold brew. Okay, we're approaching the end, number 11. And it's sort of an interesting gray shade. This one smells like rice. Like cooked rice. Yeah. Cookie butter. Okay. Very far from what I thought. And I suppose cookie butter is not gray. Okay, you were deceiving us with the colors here. That doesn't count. And last but not least, let's guess number 12. Okay, this is something with coconut in it. It might be just coconut or like coconut butter or coconut juice or coconut milk. I don't know. Something with coconut. Okay, coconut body butter. That's interesting because I'm just purely guessing that these are probably scents from products that Trader Joe's has, and now I want to go through Trader Joe's and find these products. Friends, while editing this video, I realized the image on the cover actually gives away what each of these scents represents. This is so cool! Last year's calendar didn't have this. Beauties, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget a thumbs up before you leave. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comments below if now knowing what scents are in this advent calendar changed your mind about buying it or not. I would love to know in the comments below. I love you all. Have an awesome day, and until next time, bye!